Welcome back to the channel. Meme coins is the topic of this particular video right here. And just overall looking at Google Trends, we can see that the volume, the search volume for the topic or the keyword meme coin has drastically come down from sort of March, where we had that massive hype around overall Bitcoin as well. You can see when Bitcoin had top search volume here globally, you can see also meme coins are pretty much at the top there. So are we coming down from that euphoric top? Is this presenting an undervaluation, a new area to kind of get into, dollar cost average, lower your average entry? Well, we can see the interest is certainly down, and why these charts here in the Google Trends are special is because it does reflect consumer behavior. It reflects human beings, what everyone is doing, and it's very much tied to the sentiment and performance of the markets at any given period or time. Anyways, it doesn't mean that the market is dead or over or things are going to go bearish. It just means that we are in a bit of a downtrend. We've had a bit of a red week, but I want to talk about 5 coins that I think could be worth maybe getting into. So let's start with coin number 1 over here, which is going to be Dogeverse. Traveling Dogeverse, it's using wormhole technology. Dogeverse can now be bought across 6 different chains, being Solana, Base, Avalanche, Polygon, BEP20 and ERC20, and Dogeverse are celebrating a $12 million raise, which is absolutely fantastic. So this could be one of the next huge meme coins that goes live soon, and only a couple weeks, guys, until this pre-sale sells out. So one day, 22 hours, the price will go up again. One Dogeverse is $0.000304. Roadmap wise, solid roadmap. Phase 5 is where all the talking happens with that centralized exchange listing according to the roadmap. And they have a very strong tokenomic model of 200 billion maximum tokens with no inflation. So this is very, very good to see. Fingers crossed, we will see some of these coins like this, like Dogeverse right here, go pretty wild. And typically in a bull market, these ICO or sort of pre-sales, they perform much better in a bullish macro environment as opposed to the sort of bear market season. So right now is a better time. Not financial advice, but the link is down below for Dogeverse if you do want to have a look at this awesome new looking meme coin. Coin number 2 will be the Wiener AI. It says Wiener AI, part dog, part AI, part sausage. One day, 19 hours to go until the price of this one goes up again. I actually have $6,000 worth of this one. I'm not even kidding. If I connect my wallet, you can see, pardon me, I have got 8.7 million WAI tokens, and I do think we could see this one here pump. Something feels good about the project. I also hold some of the Dogeverse as well, but one day, 19 hours to go, guys, and as soon as they hit 946k, the price will be going up again. One WAI token is 0.000702 tokens as well. So 732 million have been staked. 68% of the supply, or the purchase supply, is being staked so far, and you can see they got massive staking rewards. 1,414% per annum on the staking percentage at the same time. So could Wiener the AI or Wiener the AI be another one worth looking at? It's got 69 billion total tokens, as we can see right here, 69 over there, 30% for pre-sale, 20% for staking, 20% for community rewards, 10% on DEX and SEX liquidity, 20% for marketing, and then step 1, of course, is where the pre-sale sort of initiates and begins, and then step 3, it says token listings, the long wait is over. Wiener AI launches on global exchange platforms, so we can see some big exchanges as well for this particular meme coin right here. A new massive meme coin which you can buy on the ERC20 network, but also with BNB if you wanted to. Hit that connect wallet button and you buy your tokens. Research Wiener AI down below with the link I've got, and it could potentially be a good one out there, guys. Not financial advice. All these coins are, of course, high risk, high reward. About 500k has been raised, and since then, 1 hour ago, we can see with that funding story, they've got a lot of likes, a lot of retweets. I think a lot of people are overall bullish on this particular ecosystem. So meme coins sitting at $49 billion at the time of making this video. That is a massive valuation over here. You can see some are down, but some are still up. I think we're sitting at kind of a consolidator phase. So coin number 3 will be Dogecoin. Doge has come down quite significantly over the last sort of month from 31 billion dollars market capital down to $21 billion. It could serve itself as a new low, a potential local low for dollar cost averaging into. Of course, Elon Musk hasn't really been talking about meme coins so much this time round, and we didn't have the stimulus money like we did with COVID in the last bull run. So it's hard to say is it realistic for Dogecoin to return to its previous all-time high. I do think when Doge goes red, it can offer a good time to potentially get into, but it always comes with risk. But with meme coins, I've learned already that it's better to buy the red days than the green days and just hold out. Taking us to coin number 4 will be Pepe, the frog. Sitting here at $2.96 billion valuation. Over the last month, it has come down from a hefty 3.73, but actually, Pepe is looking pretty strong versus other ecosystems out there. I think Pepe is still holding very nicely, actually. Did drop down to 2.5 bill, but since that recent perpetual futures contract on Coinbase, it's looking a lot stronger at the moment. So from a price perspective, it's not looking as bearish on the month. We are actually holding out quite nicely, and hopefully we can still see another leg up for Pepe coin over here. I'm overall bullish on Pepe, and I think it is one of the flagship meme coins now. And it's crazy. So that was the news that happened a week ago, and since then things are still looking pretty solid with that perpetual trading pair right there, which will of course help with growing the Pepe ecosystem. Coin number 5 is going to be Shiba Inu, another one that I think is worth looking at. It recently hit an oversold relative strength value over the 4-hour time frame on the TradingView charts. So it could be presenting us with a dollar cost average region. It's come down from the 2.4s to the 2.3s in just a day. It's down 5%. Not crazy, but over the week is down from a $16 billion MC to $13.8 billion. Lost about 15 to 20% of its overall valuation in those 7 days. So it could also be providing another area of interest to dollar cost average into. It did recently actually come down even lower to the 2.1 region. If it hits 2.1 again, that's a big support level, but it could potentially bounce from there. Otherwise, if these markets do bleed out further, we'll see Shiba and other top meme coins go down in value even more, everybody. So yeah, these are my 5 favorite meme coins at the moment. To recap on these, to summarize, we had coin number 1 as Dogeverse. The link is down below should you wish to research or grab some Dogeverse coins. Coin number 2 was Wiener AI, another artificial intelligence meme coin. The link is right down below should you wish to grab some. And then of course we had coin number 3 as Dogecoin, the OG dog token. Then we got Pepe, the frog, being coin number 4, and Shiba Inu being coin number 5. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to enhance your crypto portfolio this year and potentially hit your crypto goals, do subscribe to the channel, check out my Patreon group down below, and jump into the Jacob's Crypto Clan Discord channel where we are over 26,000 members strong. Thank you all for being here. It really, really is nice, especially when I see you guys wake up, start to post your trading cards like right here. And I can see who's doing well, who's not doing well, who's making what profits, and effectively we're one big community looking out for each other. Stay crypto safe. Thanks for watching the video. We're nearly at 40k subs, even though it doesn't really mean much. To me, it's still a reflection of you guys all coming together, joining and hanging out in a virtual space where we've all got one goal and one sort of similar thing in interest. Away from all of the chaos that happens in the world, we can chill together, talk about crypto. See you soon. Stay crypto safe.